Start by single crocheting at least 80 stitches. For more petals, make more stitches, but remember to stick to an even number. For row 2, double crochet into the last chain of the previous row, 2 single crochets on the double crochet and double crochet again into the last chain. Fasten it by a single crochet on the double crochet. Skip 2 stitches on row 1 into the next chain, double crochet, two single crochet on the double crochet, double crochet again into the same chain. Then do a single crochet. Now skip 2 stitches and continue similar till the end of the chain. We crochet into these V-shaped holes in the third row. 2 double crochet into the space shown before. Two single crochet on the double crochet, 2 double crochet again into the same space. Move to the next space and repeat. The last row is to make petals. We double crochet 6 times into the V-shaped holes from row 3. Skip 2 stitches, 1 slip stitch into the next. Repeat till all petals are complete. The last and final step is to sew together the petals. You may use a matching color thread to do so. Red rose is now ready. If you would like to get the instructions mailed to you